Hello, children. Today let us discuss the third lesson, Taro's Reward, from the text Honeysuckle. The lesson conveys the message that one should always work hard to fulfill the dreams and wishes of one's parents. It is necessary for a child to be obedient and thoughtful towards his or her parents. Taro's Reward is a popular fairy tale in Japan. It involves the story of a son named Taro who wanted to fulfill the wishes of his father. Taro was a poor boy. He was a woodcutter and he lived with his old parents. One day, Taro's father expressed his desire to have a cup of sake as he felt very cold. He knew that it would warm his heart. This made Taro feel very sad because sake was an expensive drink and Taro was poor. Taro decided to work harder. Next morning, he went to the forest earlier than usual so that he could collect more wood. He worked very hard. Then he felt thirsty. Suddenly, he heard the sound of water falling. He went towards the sound. He had never seen or heard of rushing water nearby. To his surprise, he saw a beautiful waterfall. He drank the liquid. It was not water, but sake. Taro had a pitcher with him. He filled it with sake and returned home. Taro's father was delighted. He took just a sip from the pitcher. The drink stopped his shivering and he began to dance out of happiness. That afternoon, a neighbor visited Taro's house. Taro's father offered her the sake and told her the whole story about how they got the sake from the magic waterfall. On her way back, the lady spread the news about the sake to all the people in the village. Every villager rushed to Taro's house and tasted the sake. Next morning, Taro woke up early and went to the waterfall with a big pitcher. To his surprise, he found the other villagers already at the waterfall to collect sake. But on tasting it, they found that it tasted like plain water. They became angry and they decided to drown Taro in the waterfall. Taro hid himself behind a rock. They searched for him everywhere. They could not find him, and so they returned. Taro came out of his hiding place and tasted the water. It tasted like sake. The waterfall gave Taro sake, and to the villagers it gave plain water. The story of Taro reached the Emperor of Japan. He rewarded Taro with 20 pieces of gold and also named a fountain after him. He did this to encourage other children to honor and obey their parents.